Lenny, and I am so happy about today's video because I will be showing you how I do my super bouncy and nice curls. I was showering and I was going to do it anyways, but then I thought, why don't I just film it and show you guys everything and how I do it, and like from beginning to end. So I am very excited. Well, first and foremost, I want to let you guys know what I actually use to wash my hair tonight. To wash my hair, I use the DevaCurl Low-Poo Delight shampoo, and also the One Condition Delight conditioner. Those two, I feel like they just I don't know, like my hair is naturally curly, but I feel like they really help me with like bringing those curls back and just like that moisture and everything. So I really love it. And then in between the shampoo and the conditioner, I use the Eva NYC Therapy Session Mask. This hair mask smells like, oh, this hair mask is so bomb. I use it all the time, not only when I do my curls, but just like overall every single time, because you put it in the shower for like 5 minutes and that's it. I really love it. And this hair mask smells so freaking good, you guys. So good. I love it. Okay, so now we can get into the whole process. So my hair is in a hair towel. I am going to take off the towel if I can with my nails. Okay, here are my curls. They're a little bit, I feel like they're a little bit dried up here. My hair does dry super fast, so that's kind of annoying sometimes. First thing that I'm going to take is the Eva NYC Hungry Hair Oil Treatment. I feel like this treatment is, oh, it's so good for the hair, you guys. It gives the hair like a shine, and it's just like literally like when your hair is hungry for some moisture, this is it for you. Like, I just love it. So now pretty much I'm gonna take a mixture of all these three like curl definers from DevaCurl. We have the Frizz Free Volumizing Foam, we have the Ultra Defining Gel, and we have the Supercream. I love these products. I feel like they really make it or break it in this like curl moment. I just put a little bit on my hand and I lather, and then I, you know, put it all over my hair. I try to get in there. I try to really get in there. And now the last product that I'm going to put is the Eva NYC Rock Wave Curl Cream. This cream is so good if you are trying to, you know, do your curls. Oh, I love it. And it smells just like the hair mask. It's just so good. And now that I've applied all of the hair goods in my hair, honestly, it was all Eva NYC and DevaCurl. I love those brands so much. I am going to take my rubber rods and put them on my hair. So I have two. I have this box that I actually bought at Ross actually for like $5.99. And there's 12 of them, I believe, and they are 3/4. That's the size of them, so these ones are pretty thick. And then I have this bag that I actually also bought at Ross because they're super cheap over there. It was like $10. There's 32 of the flexi rollers, whatever it's called over here, twist and roll. What's the flexible hair rollers? And they come in like 6 different sizes. So I really like this one, but I use them, you know, sometimes because I don't have like a system. I pretty much just go like a little one, a big one, so the curls are like all intertwined. So I guess I'll show you guys as I go through it. But yeah, I just pretty much do that, and then I'm gonna go to sleep with them, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, and sometime during the day I will take them off, and my curls will be thriving, and I will show you guys. But it's pretty easy. Let's just start doing it, and let's go. I honestly don't even use a comb or nothing for this. Like I usually use my fingers because they don't have to be like well cut or nothing like that. You pretty much take the roller and you put your hair, twist it. That's it. Honestly, it's not really like much science to it. And then once you get to that point, you pretty much just like twist the roller, twist the other side, and that's it. That's it, you guys, honestly. And then you just keep on doing that the entire till you're done with your hair. Since I have so many different sizes, I try to take, Since I have so many different sizes, I try to take like little hair so that I can make more of the rollers. Not even halfway done. Muscles. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but these rubber rollers, you can find them anywhere, like Target, Walmart, Amazon, you know, eBay, anywhere. So I usually don't sleep very well when I do this because it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. But as my mom used to tell me, el que quiere moño bonito aguanta jalones, so no complain. I guess doing this side is a little bit harder just because it's more towards the back and I really have to like lift up my arms. So that kind of gets me tired. I swear if these curls don't come out the way I want them tomorrow, I'm gonna flip. I'm going to flip out. You guys, we are almost there. Almost there. Whew, okay, so now we are done, you guys. So for reference, I actually almost used them all. I left 2 on these and then 2 on here. So that's 4, that's 32 plus 12, 44 minus 4. It's 40, so I have 40 rollers on my head right now. So yeah. This one's gonna bother the crap out of me. But yeah, you guys, this is it. These are all of the rollers. This is how I'm gonna go to sleep, or attempt to go to sleep. I am gonna go do my skincare, all that good stuff, and head to bed. And then I will check in with you guys tomorrow morning or whenever I'm ready to take them off and show you guys on camera how the curls look. But yeah, I'm excited. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. My God, how am I going to sleep like this? This is going to suck. And we are back, you guys. It has been almost 24 hours since I did this last night. Excuse, by the way, if you guys can hear the rain because it is currently pouring out. And welcome to Florida. I am so excited to take this off right now because honestly I couldn't even sleep last night. I had to sleep like this and I sleep like that, so it was like horrible. So I am gonna take them out. I really hope that they come out the way that I envisioned them to. So let's see. Okay. Oh God, I have a feeling they're gonna be like super tiny. Okay, let's see, I'm excited, okay. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, Kalani, you're still wearing the same shirt. Yeah, because this was the only PJs that I could put through my head. Because I don't have to put it actually over my head. I can just put a button up PJ, so I showered and I put it back on. I think I'm gonna open the curls once I put them. Honestly, I'm talking with like a bunch of hairs on my face, but I think I'm going to open the curls once I take them all out because I feel like they're really short. Like my hair is not even too short. I feel like I am channeling my inner early 2000s David Bisbal. If you don't know who that is, Google it. Wow, and I took them all out. Look how short my hair looks. Ah. I mean, it's a little cute, I guess, half and half moment going on, but I don't know. This is not what I wanted. I didn't like the whole thing down, so I did a little half and half moment. Honestly, it is not what I wanted with the little rollers. I've done it before and they've come out perfect, but this time it's just I don't know if I left it for too long, or I don't know, I'm not loving it. But you know, it's a little cute moment. I don't know if this video is even gonna make it on YouTube. I'll ask you guys on Instagram to see what you guys think. But I mean, I never had my hair this short, but it's a cute moment. I'm hoping that maybe later on the curls will like loosen up a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I mean, this is me asking if this video even makes it on YouTube. I might redo this whole video again because I just feel like I need to redeem myself. I need a good curl moment, and I don't feel like this was it. So make sure to give this video a like, please, for my sake, because you know it took me so long. Don't let it flop. Make sure to subscribe down below so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. And so I see you guys back here again. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.